Hello everyone! In this tutorial video, we will look at the security features provided by HostGator web hosting services. But before that, like and subscribe to this channel if you want similar educational videos like this. HostGator stands in the top list of the most ideal web host service providers. The web hosting company was founded in 2000 and has attracted much traffic to their site. The security features availed by the above web host provider guarantees the customers a great trust for the safety of their sites hosted by the service provider. The features are amazing, which will make you love the web hosting company. Consider the following security features discussed in detail in the article below that will give you the mandate as to why to choose the above web service provider. All-in-one web security and firewall. The all-in-one security package is easy to configure, even for the persons who have minimal tech skills. The plugin proves more advantages over plugins, since it protects one's site from forced attacks. Also, it reinforces reCAPTCHA features which guarantee more improved security systems. Despite all, the plugin's unique dashboard has an impressive feature such that it scans through the website and identifies possible defects arising, then recommends the most ideal technique for fixing the identified flaw. iTheme security features. iTheme feature is well configured enough to guarantee an ideal security system for your firm. For instance, it can achieve the following. It helps repair all possible vulnerabilities detected at the website, and despite that, the plugin stops all kinds of automated spam attacks and in turn strengthens user credentials. Also, it enforces strong passwords and bans all bots that keep on popping into one's website. Jetpack. The plugin is most ideal for unexpert WordPress web developers who are only interested in developing a simple website for blogging and information sharing purposes. It allows in removing all possible threats and restores backups alongside blocking unwanted spam messages from suspicious sources. Secure Security Plugin. The Secure plugin was designed by WordPress experts, most specifically to help in security auditing to block hackers from gaining sensitive information from one's website. The plugin also offers regular web monitoring services and scanning. If it follows that after self-examination, that Secure Security plugin discovers security weaknesses in your site, then Secure will run you through 3 security steps to check to help identify the weaknesses developing in your site, and it will, in turn, give the ideal solution appropriate for the defect. SSL certification. The role of SSL certification is to encrypt and secure data transmission from one's browser and the website they are looking information from. Clients' data should be well encrypted and ensure websites that have certification as flagged as insecure by Google and other browsers which recognize SSL certification. Importance of SSL certification. For increased security and trust, SSL combats data attacks and malware injection while the data is still on transit. SSL certification provides an increased SEO rank. SSL compliance, the certificate. The certification comes in 2 forms, the free version and the premium version, which contains additional features which are not evident in the free version. Some examples of the premium version include positive SSL, multi-domain SSL, extended validation SSL, HostGator SiteLock security feature. SiteLock refers to an online cloud computing tool that helps web owners in securing their website by continuously scanning across their website in an attempt to identify any possible scenario of malware attacks or hacking. The tools scan one's website after every 24 hours and sends a notification to the website owner via email in case if it identifies any possible defect in their site. Advantages of SiteLock: scans for viruses, scans for vulnerabilities within the website, scans for blacklisting, offers malware detection, domain verification, and SSL verification. The word fence. The security features exhibited by this plugin include real-time security control directives, as well as blocking for any possible defects detectable after scanning. The plugin is also able to keep a record of the number of visitors visiting your sites and the kind of activities that the visitors are carrying out. The Secure plugin. The HostGator Secure Security plugin is easy to configure and use. The plugin scans for any identifiable flaws within the website and issues security alerts to the web owner. The plugin is well equipped with 7 security actions to disclose security controls that encrypt personal data well, free from access by third parties. Also, the plugin comes with other additional features such as anti-spam protection and automated website backups. It blocks all forms of malware easily detectable across the site functionalities. CodeGuard. This HostGator tool is mainly used for backing and restore functionalities. The tool majorly displays the status of backups and also recommends if an update of the version is applicable. They also monitor any changes that have been installed in the files. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want similar educational videos like this. We really feel motivated when you like and subscribe.